Hi guys, so in this video we'll talk about a software called Switchy. Now, since you would be running Facebook ads, or you may be having traffic from different areas, or you must be using a lot of links into your business if you're having a digital coaching business. One of the softwares that you would need to grow your digital coaching business is called as Switchy. Now, Switchy is a software which is used to switch links. That means you take a whole link which is very big and you convert it into a small link. So you must have heard of Bitly, like you convert a big link into a short link. That is called Bitly. But Bitly does not have advanced features which Switchy has, and at a cost where you could not even imagine. It's that cheap right now, like only right now. You can get Switchy for like absolutely peanuts. It's literally like getting a very big software for peanuts, and I would show you each and everything in Switchy so that you can understand how it works. But it's a very important tool in your coaching business so that the workflow and the delivery of a product becomes easy. Okay. Now let's see what Switchy is. So Switchy, once you log in, it looks like this. Now what happens is the main function of Switchy is to convert links. So you can see I can connect subdomains. Now what is a subdomain? So tools. So I have a domain called himanshuagrawal.com. If I go into my settings, if I go over here, you will see that I have some subdomains. That is social.himanshuagrawal.com, tools.himanshuagrawal.com, worksheet.himanshuagrawal.com, and you can have literally the same things for your website. So let's say your website is xyz.com, so you can have social.xyz.com, and you can have 10 of these, right? Not more than 10, because in the package that I'll show you it gives only 10, right? And you can convert links. If you don't have a domain like this, you can even convert links, and the links would look like this, right? This would be how the links would look like, and still it would work. So Switchy would even work for you. Then comes pixel. You can literally add pixels to your link. So here comes the kicker part. Let's say you are running Facebook ads and you have a YouTube channel, and you want to track every person who is, let's say, clicking the link in your description, right? Because let's say you have a YouTube channel of 100,000 people, and those 100,000 people are clicking the link in your description, and you want to store them into a pixel data so that you can retarget them later, right? Good idea. Now the problem is you need to set the pixel on the page, right, on the page itself, and due to which it would be tracked. But let's say you don't own that page, or it's simply a Google Drive file or something like that where you cannot put the pixel. What you can do is go over here in pixels, and in pixels you can literally add a new pixel. Now for all those marketers who are watching this is a very big thing that you can do. You can add a pixel, like you can click over here, you can select the platform, name your pixel, and put the pixel ID, so that everyone who is clicking on the link the pixel would automatically fire and track that person. Isn't that amazing? You can also do UTM tracking. So if you are doing Facebook ads or any type of ads and you want to see which ad is performing, you can use UTM tags to basically segment people. Then you can embed widgets. That means any third-party widgets on your links. There are many tools like that. You can just go and add and see whatever tools are there. Here it is again. For example, you can add on links any chat widget, intercom, crisp, drift, etc., SurveyMonkey, Outgrow, Typeform, and all these things, right? So that's up to you if you want to embed some widgets. I have not done that personally. Pixels I'm going to do soon, but I have not done that. Then this privacy pop-up, which you want to learn about, you can learn, which I don't know about. And then there is a generate API key. If you want to integrate this software with any other software, you can generate a API key by clicking generate over here. Then get a API key and basically put that into any software so that you have integrated the both platforms, right? Now comes integrations. Now Switchy comes with a lot of integrations so that it becomes easy for you to basically deep link stuff. Now what is a deep link? So let's say this is a link, switchy.io/pricing, but let's say I want to go to exactly like this page, which shows not this page. So let's say I refresh this page, the thing that would load in front of me is this page, correct? But I want to go over here, like page loads, but it shows this part. That is called as deep linking. That means linking to a deep part of the web page or the app. That is called deep linking, and you can do that through Switchy. And there are many categories. You can choose the softwares that you want: Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, whatever you want, and you can basically use deep links as well as integrations with this software so that it becomes easy to use. Now there are two main features of Switchy. The first is links. So you come over here and you can have your folders, which I have created so that it's organized. Now if you see, all the worksheets that I've given in my course are in the worksheets thing. So it's worksheet.himanshuagrawal.com/something. So let's say what is this. So if I click over here and put this, so it's worksheet.himanshuagrawal.com test. Now let's say which Google spreadsheet it is. So it's affiliate links for eyes. That is what this worksheet is about. Then let's come to second and third, and all the worksheets that are in my course are set like this. So let's say I want to go to the message hypothesis worksheet. I would just say worksheet.himanshuagrawal.com/message hypothesis, and I would reach to that worksheet, so that I can remember all my worksheets just by their names, and the link would be already created. Second, social. So instead of you saying, yeah, my YouTube username is Himanshu Agrawal official, my Instagram username is himanshuagrawal.official, my Twitter is Himanshu Agrawal, and Instagram is _Himanshu. Instead of doing that, what you could do is have social.himanshuagrawal.com, let's say your domain in your case, and let's say LinkedIn. So I click over here and you can see LinkedIn. So you will see himanshuagrawal.com/LinkedIn, and the moment I press enter, I will automatically reach to my LinkedIn profile, and I can share this link to anyone and they can directly land to my LinkedIn profile. Right, it becomes easier for everyone if you use these type of softwares. Now you might be thinking it would come to high price. Yes, it comes with a very high price, but stay tuned if you want to get this whole software like in literally peanuts. If you can just not go out for a dinner for just one day, you can have this tool for lifetime, and I'm going to show you how. Right, so let me do one thing in front of you. Let me create a link. So I'll go into tools folder. I want to create a new link in tools folder. I'll go over here, I'll create a new link. Here you put your link. So this is not the link that I want to. Let me just copy the link. Yes, so here is the link that I want to basically convert. Now this is a link of a software called TDCal. In another video we'll talk about it. Now I come over here and I choose the select domain because it's a tool, and the name of the tool is TDCal, and I'll put TDCal. Shows the correct, that means I can use this thing. Then I comes with the description, so I can set a description for this link. Let's say, so the link is affiliate link of TDCal, and it's a booking software. Right, I don't want to deep linking, I don't want to do A/B testing, and you can see you can even do A/B testing. You can even set a link expiration that you want to that this link should expire after these many hours or these many days. You can even upload a favicon, right? So right now the favicon would be of the AppSumo platform, but let's say I want to set something else. So I'll just go in, let's say downloads, and let's say I want to set this as the favicon. Let's say, for example, I can click on upload. Yeah, it needs 16:16. I don't have right now 16:16. No, I had. Okay, upload it. Now you can see another logo has come, ICE logo has come. Now geolocation, I can add a redirection if I want. I can add tags to this link. So let's say I want to add a tag tools or TDCal or something tag so that I can remember this. I want to embed it to a widget. I want to put that into a folder. So yes, I want to put that into the tools folder. That's why I'm basically putting here tools. Advanced options, if you don't want them, you can click here to let them go. So I don't want to do this. So it's basically the description and description of the link and title of the link. This is good, this is good. Do I want to upload a new picture? No, I don't want to. Do I want to add a pixel? No UTM parameters, nothing. Done. So I'll just click on get my new link, and the moment I click over there, boom, I got my link. Now if I go over here and put that link, you can see I would be redirected to the link that was the main link, and basically now anyone who comes to this link and buys, I'll get an affiliate commission. Understood? So this is how it works. Now let me come back. To Switchy again, and let me show you how the statistics look like. So this is one of the link which is about Internet Coaching Empire, which people are clicking on. So let me show you the stats. What you can do is click over here to even see the stats of every link. Like every link, you can see how many people came and how many people were actually staying for how much time. So 35 clicks, 15 users, 3 referrals, 2 devices, 5 countries. Day after yesterday, we got around 12 clicks. So people are going from himanshuagrawal.com, as well as unknown 30 visits. I don't know where they came from. So we have people from India, we have people from Germany who are coming, we have people from the United States and Czech Republic who are coming to view this. On phone we have around 69% people, and on phone we have 30% people, and PC it's 69% people. Good. Chrome 40%, Safari 3%, PC, and I can literally see everything, which operating system and everything. If I have added Pixel, I can even see this, and if I have added UTM tags, I can even see this. So you can see it's a full-on tool which can basically make you understand about how these links would work, and every link is so detailed, and every stat of that link can be shown to you, so that you have a very detailed tracking of your every part of the system and of the business. Now let's come to the next part, which is Smart Pages. So Smart Pages is a new feature of basically Switchy. Here are two links. These two links I think you should always use in case of mine. So you can type social.himanshuagrawal.com/about Himanshu. The moment you go over here, you can see like a website kind of a thing. It's not a website, it's just a landing page, and you can see such a beautiful landing page. This is all created in Switchy for free, right? You can have your line, you can have your name, you can have your website and YouTube. Then I have two case studies, so I've put over there. Watch free training now and join our community, and I can even see stats for this. And the second link that I have is about ICE. So what you can do, if you want to know more about growing your coaching, consulting or training business online without buying expensive softwares or without running daily paid ads, what you can do is click on this link, social.himanshuagrawal.com/ICE, and you would be landed to a page like this. And here you can basically know everything about internet coaching empire that you want to know. Cool. Now let me come to this again. So Smart Pages, what you can do is click on this, create a new Smart Page. You will come over here, you can select your, so let's say you're a restaurant, or let's say you're an online store, or you're an influencer, or you're into education, whatever you are. You can select like a link. Let's say this is the page. In the preview section it would look like this, right? You can like literally click on this, just change the links, change the heading, change the logo and everything, and you're done. Like you're literally done with your mini website, that you can say. Instead of just using a Linktree page where you have many links, you can literally have a whole Smart Page where you can embed things, add animations and do every kind of stuff. So that is Smart Pages, that is linking. I think I've covered everything. You can add new folders from here. I've covered everything. The only thing is remaining is price, and it comes in three prices: $47, $83 and $119. Now if I show you my account, see, I got around 30,000 clicks. I have 8 custom domains and I have 2 Smart Pages. Correct? This is what my account is. And if you see, that would cost you around 30,000 clicks in between this. So even let's say $60, which is around 4,500 rupees. It would cost you around 4,500 rupees. So it would cost you around $60. That is around 4,500 rupees. Now for this software, that too per month, so that you can have 30,000 clicks. But I have something to share with you so that you feel amazed. Also, you get 8 custom domains, and this thing you get around 2 custom domains and 5 custom domains, and here is 15. So again, it would cost you a lot basically to get in the plan that I am. But there is something that I want to share with you. These are the pricings. You definitely, if you don't want to go with this pricing, it's a very good idea, because I have something for you, because these are not even yearly pricing, these are monthly pricings. Now this is what I have for you. In the description there is a link. It's a Switchy link. You can click it to basically create your account. Now if you go over here, let me show you what I'm offering. The only thing you need to pay is $39. That's it, nothing else. And this is for lifetime. I repeat myself, this is for lifetime. That means you need to just pay once. For lifetime you are done for the tool. That means you never pay again for the tool, and you can use all the features of the tool, right? Even the updates that are coming, you can even use that. I bought Switchy 2-3 months ago, and there was nothing called as Smart Pages. And since I bought it that time, today also I can use Smart Pages. Now you can see, if I buy the $39 plan, I'll get 30,000 clicks per month. I can have 8 custom domains. I can have unlimited links, link appearances, unlimited retargeting pixels, 2 Smart Pages, 10 team members. Like I can have all these things. I can even have QR codes. If you buy this version, and this is just one time, just imagine, let's say even you pay $117, even if you pay that, because I'm planning to buy more codes of this thing so that I can get more clicks, because Switchy is right now at a lifetime deal, so why not take advantage of it. So let's say even if you buy this thing, $117 thing, you can get 1 lakh around clicks per month. You'll have 24 custom domains, you'll have all these things, you have 15 smart pages, you have 30 team members. Now I believe that even if you're running $1 million business, you would not need that much of matrices into your business, right? So that is what it's about. Click the link below in description if you want to check out Switchy. It's a wonderful tool. I'm getting wonderful experience, that's why I'm creating this video. I have literally shown you that I use this tool a lot. You can see we have 1322 clicks, so I have a lot of links getting a lot of clicks. If you want to check out this tool, just click the link in description and you will see it above. Hope you got value out of this video, and see you until next time.